When you're ready to revise and edit, these are the steps you need to go through. Reread your paragraphs and then go through this checklist to revise and edit. I would suggest using the cross-out tool to make sure that you've taken care of each piece. To cross something out, simply select it, go to Format, go to Text, go to Strike Through. Your first revising and editing step is to listen to your essay out loud and correct anything that sounds awkward. In order to do this, you'll copy and paste the text that you want to listen to, click this link, paste it into here, and then click play.
Reread your paragraphs. Then,
That your essay is in your own words, that you have not copied anyone else's work, and that you've given credit to the author of the required article. If you are using work that someone else has written, copying from others, or not giving credit, it's considered plagiarism, which will result in a 0. Make sure that you've checked your work for capitalization errors, so that only things that are capitalized are proper nouns, as well as the beginnings of sentences. Choose 10 boring words to upgrade for more exciting and juicy words. Review that your work is written in a formal tone. If you click on this link, it will take you to a tutorial on how to do so. And run a spelling and grammar check. Clicking on this link will show you how to run spelling and grammar. When you've done this entire list, you're done revising and editing.